Hello and welcome back. I remain Mustafa Lawal, and in this lesson I will quickly show you how you can install your fonts and PixelLab. So fonts is simply a specific style of text character including letters, numbers and symbols that have a unique appearance. Just like the way you have your unique way of writing, so does the fonts. They also have their own unique way of displaying when being used. Okay, if you apply the same font to a paragraph, for example, now all the characters there will look the same. Before we install the font, let's quickly go and search for it. So let's quickly go to our browser and download a few fonts. So now the first site I'll visit, I only show you two. Okay, there are more, but to make this video short, let's just use two. So the first one is writethefonts.com. Just click on it and I will allow you to open. Okay, so you can see the fonts here. Okay, so just look at the way they appear. If you want to download this first one, just simply click on download beside it. It's going to download. And very simple. Okay, that's one. Okay, secondly, you can search for a font. Let's say, let's just pick one. Okay, just pick one. Let me search for this one, blacklisted, and this is it. Okay, so you can, let's download it. Click on download, and simple as that. You can download this other one as well. So the second one, let's download it as well. You can see the first one is just uppercase, and so let's go with the second one. This list that displays a preview your text, so you can type anything there and click on submit. Okay, you can type anything here. Let's say my name. Okay, let's submit it. And you can see exactly what I type. You can see, so you can preview your font. That's it for this one. Let's quickly move to the second site to make this video short. Okay, so the second one I will be going to here is fonts.google.com. okay, if you are still following this lesson, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And here is it. This one you can also download the icons. So now what I'll be doing here, if you look at this one now, we have the font family. Okay, we have fonts and we have a typeface. Okay, they are not the same, almost they are confusing. Okay, so if you want to learn more on typography, just check down the video description. I will be dropping the link to my previous lesson on elements of graphic design, so make sure you go to it. Just go down to Montserrat, for example. Now you can see it, so I'll just click on it. Good. So the same thing, you can also type to preview your text, but that's not how we do. You can see the variants. Okay, we have the thin, the extra lights, regular, medium, and so on. So if you want to download everything together now, I've downloaded the font family before. So now if you want to get everything now, click on this get fonts. Okay, you can see it. Click on it. Okay, and if you want to download, you just click on this download. Okay, you see download all. I've already selected one before. That is why it's showing two. Okay, so but I will not proceed to download now. Let me go and select more. Okay, so that I'll just download all of them at once. Okay, let's assume that I also want to download this lato. Okay, this lato. Oh, purpose. Let me just download as many as I can. Okay, then I'll just show you everything that I've downloaded later. So now you just click on the same place, get font at the bottom right corner, get font. Just tap on it. You can see now that I've selected 3 now. I've selected 3 now, so I will just download the 3 now. Good, so I've downloaded everything now. So you go to your file explorer. This is all the fonts I have downloaded. If I want to extract this one now, they are zip. Okay, you just click on this 3 dot more, and I will just open with. If I say open with it, to extract uncompress, and you can see it here, this one. Okay, so let's do the same for others. Like so I downloaded these 3 all together. So I'll just uncompress. But you only select 2 from here and go to this static folder and select the rest, all other ones. You can see. So you just move everything to a single folder. It is very important. I will show you the reason why. But in case if you are not able to extract the fonts the way I'm doing it directly like this one, the way I just press this and uncompress, then you go to your place to load the archiver. Okay, look at it here. This is going to help you to achieve that. Okay, so this is it. You just install it, very small. Okay, it's going to help you achieve that. Let's quickly install our fonts, the fonts that we've downloaded. So this is it now, right? This is the text. Just look the way this text appears. Okay, now you go to this is, you are on this text. Okay, you are on this A. Okay, you're on A. Okay, that's the text. So you now scroll to you just swipe, okay, to fonts. Okay, AB, why you see AB. Okay, so you can see the defaults. Okay, the one that pre-installed. Okay, these ones are already there. If you click on this anyone now, like this amaranth, it will change. Just observe my text on top. Just observe the text there. Okay, so now if I click any other one, it's going to change. So you move to this second tab, my fonts. Okay, I don't have anything here, so I deleted everything for the purpose of this class. So you see these 2 icons here, these 2 folder distance. You can see one of them is like a file with T, and the other one is like a folder, the icon, if you observe them carefully. So if I'm to install only just a single font now, I'll just click on this one with the T and the plus button. That is the one by the left hand side of the 2 icons. So let's say this is the font that I want to select in this folder. I'll just tap on it, and you have it here, only one. You can then tap on it to apply. You can see that the font installation on top, it has changed its appearance. You can see. So that's that. So now let me clear it and install. So now let me install the whole folder, which means that I'm going to be selecting this particular one. So let's tap on that, and I've already moved the font into this is a download, and I've already placed them in this folder. So you just click on add directory, and everything is here. All the fonts that I moved to a single folder, they are all here. So you see this text now. If I want to add Montserrat black, click on it. You can see Roboto light. Just look at it. Paradise love. You can see blacklisted. Right, so just check down the video description to learn more about typography. I have the video there. Okay, so that is it on how to install the font. And if I should go back to the same place now, my fonts, I will see all of them here. And if you want to delete everything, like you want to clear everything you've added, just this sign, just click on this storage, download something for that, just cancel it and everything will be deleted. Okay, that is it on how to install fonts in PixelLab. See you in my next video.